Alright, what's going on, boys? Just got in from work. I did just execute a trade and I got break even on it. So I was looking to go. Actually, no, let's go into bias real quick. I am looking to take another short entry here for my re-entry because it was a break even. Coming into a 4-hour chart, we have this 4-hour gap that's untapped. ES looks so much better than NQ right now. We're way more bearish for shorts. ES failing to take out these highs. Now we have Southside liquidity all stacked up through here that we never even got to this low. Came super close. Now we're just rejecting back up. We had CPI today. We ended up putting in an SMT with that. NQ took this here. We had a market structure shift, pull back to the SIBI, and I was in short there. Stopped her above this high, and I was looking for these relative equal lows. Sat here for 3.2R. Probably should have just taken profits at here. At this discounted fair value gap. And that would have been a 2.3R, and it would have been an absolute beautiful trade. But yeah, want to see them relative equal lows. Maybe we'll get them now. Who knows? So now, as price is playing out, let me just get rid of this real quick, and this and this. We've invalidated that SMT. We've taken data highs now on both indexes. NQ just took out an old hourly high. ES failed. We've got the SMT. So I want to see a shift in market structure and target that 4-hour BISI down here. So our take profit is going to be this swing low in, well, this low here in discount. And then this will be the soup of this gap as well. So that would be the target. Yeah, I need to just take the low-hanging fruit, man. Should have just been satisfied with that little move that I caught there and gotten out, but it is what it is. So I'll pause the recording here. We'll see if we get an entry to go lower. Just looking at NQ on a 2-minute chart here. If we open up this 2-minute SIBI, then I'm happy to go short. 105.25. Yeah, stops can rest up here. So it'll look like this. Stops on the high. Let me just double. Oh, no, we got filled anyway. Okay. So I'm on micros here, so let me just mark this out. So it's going to be what, these lows here as the final draw. And then let's mark out equilibrium of this range. Okay. I'm going to take 2 off there. What's the risk to reward? 1.1. Whatever. All right, let's take profit 1. Yes, obviously looking to get there first, but I'll just go break even when that happens. And then, yeah, leave a run all the way down to sell side. So if ES takes my objective here first, then I'm going break even. We'll see what happens. All right, boys, so far so good. We're starting to dump now towards first take profit. I do want to see this final draw get hit. I want to see all this low resistance liquidity get ran and tap into that 4-hour BISI. Obviously, if ES gets there first, I'll take off my position. But for now, we're going to lock in some profits at this low and leave the runner. Are we going to hit on now? Sell side should get taken here. So we're going to edge the first TP by a couple of points. I want to see us get down. Let me just double check. Normal NQ isn't taking that. Okay, ES took it. Okay, we just took it there then anyway. Cool. There's TP1 done. Finally some nice price action. Now we leave the runner for sell side liquidity. ES isn't far off it already, so we'll see how that goes. I am interested to see what goes on here, because my first take profit is the higher time frame, like 5 minute, 5 minute market structure shift level. So we've just broken through that. We're about to open up a 5 minute SIBI there. So I'd expect us to tap into that and then continue to sell off. ES is getting really fucking close to the sell side level now. I want to see that get taken here. Yeah, this is just so clear. Finally, some good price action. See what goes on from a 5 minute standpoint here. We're about to open up this 5 minute. Here we go. I want to just tap into that and then continue to sell off. I need a shower, man. Alright, we just tapped into that now. See, I want to get up and go for a shower, but if ES takes sell side whilst I'm in there, it's not going to be good. Or if I get break even, I need to remove my limit, etc. Whatever. We'll see how this plays out. Cool. So we can see now that 5 minute gap delivering price as expected. I want to see this start to flush to sell side now. So we've had the 1 minute model again. We tap into that 5. We've got the market structure shift. We have a fair value gap opened up. So I've now trailed to this high. I want to see that high get protected now. I want to see these 1 minute gaps keep us lower, because this is model inside of the 5 minute model. So I'm getting closer and closer to that sell side level. Should come and take it. So we just tapped into this 1 minute gap now, the first one that was presented, and ES has put an equal low sat here. I know equal lows on the 1 minute doesn't really matter so much on ES because you see them literally everywhere. But it's just nice to keep in mind, and I suppose it's a confluence. It looks like though we are going to end up getting taken out of a trailed stop, which is fine. I mean, I've bagged profit. But I did want to see this sell side get hit. But if we do zoom out to a 4 hour chart, then obviously you can see it's just been chop work through here. Zoom into a 1 hour chop work. I'm still confident no matter what happens that we're going to take the sell side and then start buying up. That's what I want to see happen. So that's the model I'm trading. Yeah, shit still looks good even if I get taken out. but we'll see if this 1 minute gap wants to hold here. Looks like we're going to get ran through. Yeah. So ES just took the high. We'll see if NQ fails to take it. If not, it's all good. Yeah, I like my stop placement here. By all means, we could just rerun the highs before coming lower again, but since we are just chopping in that hourly range, yeah. It's all good though. All right, I'm about to get stopped, so let's just go over this trade again real quick. So coming into the session, 4 hour fair value gap is my drawn liquidity. We have resting equal low, relative equal lows or resting through here. High time frame wise, we come up. NQ took out this hourly high. There we go. There's the stop out. NQ came up and took out this hourly high. ES failed. Upon that, we took data highs, tapped into this hourly bearish gap, resting here. And then we started selling off hard and took profits, equilibrium of this range, this swing low here. So got around the 1.2R. And we're up, okay, 467 on the day. So the account's still in drawdown, but finally saw a good trade. So it's all good. All right then, boys. Winning trade, finally. I will catch you boys tomorrow.